this video you will be learning about the project invoices. As you can see, we are under the project invoice screen where you are filtering all the invoices. If you need this data to be loaded as project wise, then you can click here, then it will be given as project wise only. And if you are clicking on that project, then it will give you all the invoices which are made for that particular project. If you need it in the list view, you can click here and it will show the list of all the invoices. If you want to filter between the credit note, you can click here on this credit note, then all the credit notes which are generated in the system, it will reflect here. So for filtering filtration options, you are having here from date to date. Then project wise filter we are having, you can filter based on the projects. And then we are having customer wise also, as one customer can have multiple projects, so you can filter customer wise also. This filtered data, if you need to be exported to Excel, you can click on this icon. It will be exporting the data to the Excel sheet. Then for creating a new invoice, you can click here on this plus icon, then you can go for the next screen for where you can generate the new invoice. For generating the new invoice, you just have to select the project. Based on your project selection, if there is no previous invoice for that project, then automatically it will be considered as an advance, and based on the advance percentage, the invoice amount, it will be calculated here. This is the advance percentage and this is the 10% advance for this amount. So this is how you are going to create a new advance invoice. For other type of invoices, you can click here and you can select the invoice type and it will be added accordingly. In detailed video you will get to add each of the invoices. If after saving this invoice, you can have the journal entries view also, means it will be reflected in the accounts also, no? So for the accounting entries, you can click here and you can get the accounting entry. Also, if you want to make a print for this particular invoice, then you can click on this one, it will give you the printout. Here we are having some action buttons, like for example, if for any invoice you want to make a printout, you can make a printout from here. If you want to edit any invoice, you can click on this edit invoice and you can make the amendments over here. So this was the short video about the invoices.